Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the other wireless connections, personal hotspot. Here you can switch a hotspot. Here you can change some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change the passcode, you can't change the AP band, and you can set it to be visible to other devices. Also, you can manage connections. For example, you have the blacklist, you can set up the maximum amount of connections, you can set up data restriction and also speed restriction. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.